Now we are asked to find f given this. Now let's represent this with a letter and represent this with a letter, so that we can have, let's say that let m equal to the cube root of x, and also n equal to x over 2, so that you are going to have 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 12. Now this can be written as 2 to the power of n minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 12, right? This can be written like this. Now by so doing, let's say that n is greater than m. This implies that n is equal to m plus p. Okay, so if n is greater than m, that means n is equal to m plus p. So anywhere you see n, put m plus p. So you are going to have 2 to the power of n here. Why n is m plus p? Let's represent it by m plus p. Okay, minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 12. Now let's factorize this, because this is the same thing as 2 to the power of m multiplied by 2 to the power of p minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 12. Okay, so the common factor here is 2 power of m to these two terms, right? So we are going to have 2 to the power of m multiplied by 2 to the power of p minus 1 equal to 12. Okay, now this 12 can be expressed as 4 times 3. This 12 can be expressed as 4 times 3. As 4 times 3. Now this 4 times 3 can be expressed as 4 times 5 minus, let me say 4 minus 1, right? 4 minus 1 will give you 3, right? Now this can be expressed as 2 power of 2 multiplied by 2 power of 2 minus 1. So let's represent this with this, because 4 minus 1 is 3. So you are going to get back to this, which gives you 12. So we are going to clean this and represent this with this. So we are going to have 2 power of 2 multiplied by 2 power of 2 minus 1.